Located in Point Lonsdale, Victoria, nestled amongst a tapestry of moonah and tea trees, is Point Lonsdale House. This modest project sought to transform an existing 1980s brown brick project home from a well-lived-in family home, which previously accommodated a family of 5, into a house for the clients to retire in now that their children have left home and have families of their own. The addition provides a significantly improved master bedroom suite, which was designed to take in the views of their adjacent well-established garden. The project also involved an extensive reconfiguration of the house's internal living, kitchen, and dining spaces. The form of the addition was inspired by the form of the existing dwelling and its gable roofs, and also the unusual shape of the block. In this project, strategies were used that drastically reduced the amount of waste created through demolition. An existing ensuite was repurposed as a new guest powder room. An existing window opening was used as the opening to the master bedroom addition. An external Venetian blind is also used to keep the master bedroom space cool. It can be fully opened in the morning to take in views of the garden, or closed to prevent the hot western sun from entering the space. Here's a look at the plan. Point Lonsdale House is a testament to how even small changes can have a significant positive impact on the functionality and livability of a home. Thank you for watching and subscribing to our channel. HDI home design ideas would appreciate it.